Jio Hotstar application is not working on smart TV, so how to fix it? In this video guys, we will know that step by step. So guys, let's start the video. Find here a setting option on your smart TV. So guys, you can see here there are a setting option. Click on it and open it and find here guys apps option. Okay, now open it and after that guys, find here see all apps option. Now open it and in this list guys find here Jio Hotstar application. So guys, you can see here there are Jio Hotstar application. Open it and after that guys click here clear cache. Okay, not clear data, only click here clear cache. Now click here OK and after that guys find here a permission option in this list and if this option is disabled, enable it. Okay, now go back. Now click here for stop option. Okay, click here and click on OK button and after that guys go back. So guys, find Google Play Store application on your smart TV. So guys, you can see here there are a Google Play Store application installed our TV. Open it. Okay, and after that guys you can see here there are a search option. Click on it and after that guys type here under the search box Jio Hotstar. You can see here after typing this Jio Hotstar application is displayed here. Search it and you can see here guys there are a update option. Okay, update your Jio Hotstar application. Now press button and after that guys you can see here it will download automatically updates on your TV. So guys, you can see here 100%. So guys, after update your Jio Hotstar application, open it and launch your Jio Hotstar and check your problem is fixed or not. So guys, I hope your problem is fixed here. So guys, if your problem is fixed, please subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching.